Assalamualaikum dear students. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Indra Mughal and I am the faculty of Sindh University Campus Rarakana, Sindh. The subject that I teach you, the probability and statistics. Today, I am going to teach you a survey of probability concepts. Probability and statistics are used all the time in computer science. Machine learning, it's probability. Data science, it's statistics. Almost always we use probability. Probability is the most important thing that we calculate. We calculate subconsciously on almost all occasions. For example, when you are thinking of taking a decision, let it be anything from as small as a decision to wear a t-shirt or a shirt to as big as whether to accept the job offer. You calculate the probability of how comfortable you would be wearing the shirt and you take a decision. Well, fortunately, we humans have the most powerful processing powers and we do these calculations so subconsciously. We don't even realize that we are indeed using probability. In this video, you will able to learn the define probability, describe the classical, empirical and subjective approaches to probability, explain the terms, experiment, event and outcome. We use the concept of probability to deal with uncertainty. Probability is the way of expressing knowledge of belief that an event will occur on chance. The probability word originated from the Latin word meaning approval. The concept of probability are successfully used in the management of business, social or governmental enterprises and organizations. Probability concepts are useful while making the decision under the conditions of uncertainty or risk in the changing areas of marketing, finance and production. The concepts are used to determine and evaluate the uncertainty or risk taken by an organization or firm. There is always a considerable degree of uncertainty involved in the reaction of market to a new product introduced by the company. Under these circumstances, poor decision making can bring about unfortunate impact upon a firm or organization. In many decision making situations, the term of probability are useful to assess the occurrence and outcomes of a business organizations. Probability concepts help to transform a problem into a logical model. Probability is the branch of math that studies patterns of chance. The idea of probability is based on observation. Probability describes what happens over many trials. In a daily life, come across the words like probably, likely, maybe, chance and hope. All these are synonymous to probability. Probability, the definition of probability. Probability is the measure of how likely it is the some event will occur. A number expressing the ratio of favorable cases to the whole number of cases possible. For example, the chance of coin landing on heads is 50%. This is because a coin has two sides, so there is a 50% chance that the coin will land on heads, and 50% that a coin will land on tails. Let me elaborate further on probability. Probability होती क्या है और पढ़ते क्यों है? वेरी सिंपल. एक्चुअल में क्या होता है, डेली लाइफ में कई सारे ऐसे घटनाएं होती हैं जिनके लिए हम कहते हैं ऐसा हो सकता है या ऐसा नहीं भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बारिश हो सकती है, आज का पेपर अच्छा जा सकता है, अच्छा नहीं भी जा सकता है, एंड सो ऑन. कई बार हम और आप मैच देखते होंगे, उसमें बोलते होंगे कितनी परसेंटेज इंडिया जीत सकता है. आपने कई बार कमेंट्री सुनी होगी, इस ग्राउंड पे अभी तक इंडिया और पाकिस्तान मैचेस हुई है, उसमें 60% इंडिया जीता है और 40% पाकिस्तान जीता है. तो आज चांसेस है इंडिया ही जीतेगा. जब हम इन सब चांसेस को मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेट करने लगते हैं और उनको मैथमेटिकली कुछ वैल्यू देने लगते हैं, तो उसे कहते हैं प्रोबेबिलिटी. इन सब चांसेस को या इन सब तरीके में जिनमें हम हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है, कितना परसेंटेज चांसेस है, नहीं है, जब इन सभी को हम मैथमेटिकल वैल्यू असाइन करते हैं तो उसको कहा जाता है प्रोबेबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट, some properties of probability. The first property states that the probability of any event will always be decimal or fraction, that is between 0 and 1. If probability is 0 of any event, we say that event is an impossible event. Let's take an example. Probability: sun rises in west, so sun will never rise in west, so its chances is 0 and that event is impossible. If probability of event E is 1, we call event E a certain event. Some have said that there are two certainties in life, death and taxes. Let's take another example. The probability of sun rises in east, it's universal truth, so its probability is always 1. Chances of any event, of any statement, maximum 1, and chances of any statement minimum 0. So value of probability is always between 0 and 1. The second property states that The sum of all the individual probabilities of each event of the sample space must equal 1. The probability is always positive. It cannot be negative because it is the ratio of two numbers, favorable event to sample space. Let's now turn to practical examples of probability. First one is sports. Be it basketball or football, and coin is tossed and both teams have 50-50 chances of winning it. A basketball player takes a free throw. Judging his past performance, it can be determined if he will make it or not. Another example is insurance companies calculate the probability of happening of an accident or casualty to determine insurance premiums. The last one is an exit poll is taken after election. This involves asking voted people to which party they have voted. This gives an idea of winning chances of each candidate and predictions are made accordingly. Next is key terms of probability: experiment, outcome, and event. An experiment is the observation of some activities or the act of taking some measurement. For example, tossing a coin is an experiment. Let's illustrate it more. Random experiment क्या होता है? Random experiment ऐसा एक्सपेरिमेंट होता है जिसकी रिजल्ट को प्रेडिक्ट नहीं किया जा सकता है, लेकिन हमें ये पता होता है क्या क्या आ सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फ्लिप अ कॉइन. आपको ये पता है हेड या टेल ही आएगा, लेकिन ये पता नहीं क्या आएगा. आप एग्जैक्टली नहीं कह सकते कि हेड ही आएगा या टेल ही आएगा, लेकिन आपको पता है क्या क्या आएगा. तो ऐसे एक्सपेरिमेंट को कहा जाता है रैंडम एक्सपेरिमेंट. An outcome is the particular result of an experiment, and the third one is event. An event is the collection of one or more outcomes of an experiment. Mutually exclusive. The occurrence of one event means that none of the other events can occur at the same time. For example, the variable gender presents mutually exclusive outcomes, male and female. An employee selected at random is either male or female, but can't be both. A manufactured part is acceptable or unacceptable. The part cannot be both acceptable and unacceptable at the same time. In a sample of manufactured parts, the event of selecting an unacceptable part and the event of selecting an acceptable part are mutually exclusive. The second is independent events. Two events, A and B, are independent if the knowledge that one occur does not affect the chance the other occurs. For example, the outcomes of two rows of a fair die are independent events, The outcome of the first rule does not change the probability for the outcome of the second rule. Number third is collectively exhaustive. At least one of the events must occur when an experiment is conducted. For example, if an experiment has a set of events that includes every possible outcome, such as the events an even number and an odd number. In the die tossing experiment, then the set of events is collectively exhaustive. For the die tossing experiment, every outcome will be either even or odd, so the set is collectively exhaustive. Classical probability. Classical probability comes from more thought experiment. You think about flip a coin. You think two things could happen. I get heads, I get tails. Usually each has equal chances to happen. So my classical probability for flipping a coin for getting head 1 out of 2. So two things happen equally likely. Here you can see the formula of the classical probability. Probability of an event is equal to the number of favorable outcomes upon total number of possible outcomes. Here consider another example. Consider an experiment of rolling 6-sided die. What is the probability of the event? An even number of spots appear face up. The possible outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 3 favorable outcomes, 2, 4 and 6 in the collection of 6 equally likely possible outcomes. Empirical or relative probability. This comes from an experiment. Anytime you hear word empirical, it means someone actually did something happened in real world. So the empirical probability is just relative frequency. How many success did I have out of how many trial I did? For example, flip a coin 100 times. I get head 32 times. So probability for head is 32 out of 100. The formula for the calculating relative probability is how many times an event occurs divided by how many trials. Subjective probability. Subjective probability is just educated guess. In statistics, we don't talk too much on the subjective probability, but you calculate it in daily life. The subjective concept of probability, the likelihood probability of a particular event happening that is assigned by an individual based on whatever information is available. If there is little or no past experience or information on which to base a probability, it may be arrived at subjectively.